History of chemistry is a fascinating journey through the development of a scientific discipline that has transformed our world and continues to shape our future. The study of chemistry can be traced back to ancient civilizations including Egypt, China, and Greece. In ancient Egypt, chemistry was seen as a branch of divinity and was used to prepare medicines and magical spells, while the Chinese developed an understanding of the elements around 600 BCE. Their focus was on medicine and agriculture. The Greeks, particularly through the work of philosopher Democritus and scientist Aristotle, laid the foundation for the modern chemical concept. They established the concept of elements, which were later expanded upon by their student, philosopher John Dalton. In the 16th century, the Arab scientist Al-Razi developed a better understanding of chemical reactions and introduced the term alkali, now known as the alkaline metals. During the 17th century, French scientist Nicolas Lemery improved the production of gunpowder and introduced the concept of reactions involving gases. The 18th and 19th centuries saw rapid advancements in chemistry. German chemist Dmitri Mendeleev organized the elements in a periodic table in 1869, which became a cornerstone of modern chemistry. The work of American scientist John Dalton, who developed the atomic theory, laid the groundwork for understanding the structure of matter. In the 20th century, chemistry evolved to become a more well-structured and empirical field. The development of quantum mechanics by Max Planck and Werner Heisenberg introduced the concept of quantum mechanics, while the discovery of nuclear chemistry by Albert Einstein and Richard Oppenheimer led to the development of nuclear physics. Today, chemistry plays a crucial role in everything from healthcare to technology. With countless innovations based on the understanding of chemical principles, from pharmaceuticals to renewable energy, chemistry continues to shape our world and our future.